This is Paul at Downeast Under Creations. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey folks, the latest project here at Downeast Under Creations is a Kids Playground Kitchenette. And this was a volunteer project that I did for Women for Healthy Rural Living, or WHRL.org, nonprofit here in town, in the town of Milbridge, Maine. And they put a park in off of Main Street, right out on the ocean, called Milbridge Commons Park. And it's open to the public and has a walking track and vegetable gardens, and it's all free. You can go in there, and also has a kids playground. So this Kids Playground Kitchenette is made from white cedar, and it's going to go in the kids playground at the park, or the Milbridge Commons. So take a look. Here it is. It's just it's like a bench, but it's little kid size. The top of the counter is only 24 inches from the ground, and sort of have like play burners and dowels, and it has this stainless steel sink that can be emptied, so if it gets filled with water or sand, mud, whatever, it can easily be emptied and and cleaned out. And this backboard up here at the top, I don't have the hooks yet. We have some stainless steel hooks on order, but the hooks are gonna go on there, and there's some donated small pots, pans, and utensils that will hang from that. And so when it goes into the playground, the kids can have a ball with it. And so I'm just waiting on the hooks, and then we'll load this in the back of my truck and take it up to the Commons and put it into its new home. So I'm going to show you how I built it. Just stay tuned. In a few seconds you'll see the entire build video. This is something easy. I didn't do any plans for it because there are so many variations. We got the ideas from going online, and there were several different variations of this, although they are similar. So if you Google it, you'll see it. You can build one to suit your needs wherever you are, and you can just see how I built this one. And it's pretty easy to do. Again, we used white cedar because it has a very high degree of rot resistance, although it does cost a bit of money, more than you would for other materials. The white cedar that we used is decking material, 5/4 by 6, and also 2x4s, that we were able to get from the local Lowe's store. I say local, it's about almost 70 miles away, but take a look, see how I built it. Give me a like, share, subscribe, all that happy stuff. You know what to do. It keeps my channel going, and we can keep doing more projects and showing them to you. Thanks for watching.
Well, folks, thank you so much for watching. I very much appreciate it. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and if you do subscribe, remember to ring that little bell so that you can be notified of any new videos that are released. And thanks again for watching.